Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best portable air compressors on Amazon. If you work in agriculture, construction, or mechanics of any kind, having a portable air compressor allows you to operate key machinery remotely. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Craftsman 6-gallon pancake air compressor. This portable air compressor is an oil-free, maintenance-free option that weighs about 30 pounds. It's super easy to transport between job sites, to different rooms in your home, or around your workshop. Its space-saving design fits in many cabinets for out-of-the-way storage. This particular model features a maximum capacity of 150 psi, making it suitable for a wide variety of applications. It also comes equipped with a 13-piece accessory kit that includes a PVC air hose with coupler and plugs pre-assembled, a tire gauge, a blowgun with plug, a blowgun with OSHA safety nozzle, and 3 inflator adapters. Number 2. California 2-gallon air compressor. From California Air Tools comes a super compact, super lightweight, and super quiet portable air compressor that's ideal for small jobs around your garage or home workshop. With a noise level of only 60 decibels, it's definitely one of the quietest air compressors of its kind on the market. This battery-operated 2-gallon air compressor weighs only 36 pounds. It's got a maximum pressure of 120 psi with an air power of 3.1 CFM at 40 psi. It's got a quick recovery time from empty to full of only 50 seconds. This model is great for small projects like air brushing, light carpentry work, filling tires, and more. We recommend purchasing a male 1/4-inch quick connector and air hose if you don't already have one. Unfortunately, this compressor is just a compressor and doesn't come with any accessories. Number 3. Quipple 2-gallon hot dog air compressor. The Quipple 2-gallon oil-free hot dog air compressor is a reliable and well-performing option that won't break the budget. This unit is an oil-free, maintenance-free air compressor that's ideal for pumping up car or bike tires or sporting equipment. With a maximum psi of 90, it's just strong enough to be used for stapling, nailing, fastening, or hobby painting as well. Sturdy and grippy suction cup feet provide a stable and secure mount for worry-free operation. It's also got a mounted flip-up handle for easy transportation and storage. This lightweight unit is equipped with 2 gauges and a large and easy-to-operate regulator knob. It comes with extra nozzles to adapt to various connectors, but it would be better if the unit had an onboard place to store them so they don't get lost. Also, keep in mind that this is a very small air compressor and isn't suited to larger construction or agricultural equipment. Number 4. Sun Joe Cordless Portable Air Compressor Kit. This air compressor is designed with portability in mind. Its compact dimensions of 12.6 to 4.3 to 9.2 inches make it easy to carry and store. Whether you're inflating car tires, sports equipment, or inflatable toys, this portable air compressor is lightweight and convenient to use. With the 24-volt Ion Plus rechargeable battery included in the kit, you can say goodbye to tangled cords and limited mobility. The cordless operation of the Sun provides freedom and flexibility, allowing you to tackle inflation tasks without the constraints of a power outlet. The kit comes complete with a range of nozzle adapters, ensuring compatibility with various inflation needs. From sports balls to inflatable mattresses, these nozzle adapters make it effortless to inflate different objects with ease. Number 5. Viair 90P Portable Compressor. The Viair 90P Portable Compressor has a few features we love. It directly connects to your car's battery using heavy-duty clamps to inflate tires up to 120 psi. What's more, it draws very little power and doesn't drain the battery. And while it lacks an LED display, it has a pressure gauge that notifies you about maximum pressure and the rate of inflation. The portable air compressor comes with a 5-foot air hose to ensure you move less. Its sand tray minimizes vibration to prevent you from getting uncomfortable as you work. Despite its size, it is a fast inflator that does a great job. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.